right? There's such great advantage that's available to you, and it just, I can't decide if it just pisses me off or it breaks my heart or whatever it is, but it's like people who work, people who save, you don't get this, you don't get these benefits, okay? You don't get these benefits if you won the lottery. You know what I mean? I mean, your lottery money is going to be gone in 6 months anyway. This is for people, this kind of planning is for people who work, people who save, people who do the good things, okay? That's who this kind of planning is for, because those are the folks. Look, if you live your life on a credit card and you lost 3 houses to foreclosure and you've been through bankruptcy 5 times, whatever, I feel sorry for you. And that's really too bad. And, hard knocks of life, or what, excuse yourself however you wish. I'm talking to people who did the hard things, who made the tough choices, right? It's better to go on vacation. Those memories, they keep with you forever. Yeah, I'd rather be able to pay my bills. Okay. It's for people with that attitude that this planning is for. You already paid in. Why should you have to pay again? Right? Those folks over there, the ones who live their life on a credit card, whatever. Okay. They're going to get it for free. It's free for them. It's free for them. Because why? Well, because they got nothing. Why do they have nothing? Because they went on vacation a lot. They lived on a credit card, foreclosure, all the rest of this stuff. Okay, people make choices. Those are the choices you made. But you made different choices. You made, dare I say, responsible choices. You made foresighted choices. You made personal responsibility choices. And the way the system's set up, you're screwed. What? Wait a second. Let me get this right. If I live on a credit card and I'm in debt up to my eyeballs and and I don't be responsible, all the rest of that stuff, okay, if I do that, then long-term care is free for me. But if I do all those good things and I build and I get the cottage or the hunting property or something for generations to come, and I'm thinking about it like that, and all the rest of this stuff, it's all going to come down like a house of cards, at $15,000 a month at a skilled nursing facility. Yep. That's the way it works. But how did that get to be fair? How did that get to be right? Forget about it. I mean, look, if you got $3 million, you did a lot, and you're a working type person. You did a lot. You made millions of decisions to do that. Okay. And why should that all be thrown out the window? I don't get it. And most of our clients, of course, they got a house and $200,000-$300,000. Okay, fine. That's enough to make a huge difference in your quality of life, let alone your kids. You don't need millions of dollars to make this work. If you got them, great. We'll save that too. But that's the deal.